Hey everyone, thanks so much for pressing play once again. I'm recording this straight after the one that will be already uploaded previously to this video, because it's again following on. So I just want to make sure that I record my time on it. Oops, sorry about this. Okay. So again, it's because there's a definite number pattern for the 12th of June, so I just wanted to get this on video, I guess, and share it with people really, because I think something will again occur in terms of what is classed as an event but actually isn't really what it seems. The deception continues. I've already mentioned the Friday 9th of June, how that's 963. This one is a repeat really of the London 3rd of June 363, because 1 plus 2 there is the 3, got the 6th is the June, and I've said how the 2 plus the 1 is 3 times 7 is 21. 21, it's actually the mirror of 12 as well, so 12 and the 21, it's actually 33 there, as well as 3, 6, 3. So a 6 in between two 3s, exactly how London was, 3rd of June. And I've kind of just shown that there a little bit as well, just to kind of hopefully make that a bit more clearer. And then also, that the 12 plus the 12 being the 24, 24 and 42, 66. So if you just use that as a 12 at the end of 2017 instead of doing the other way, so this one starting off again, just the date difference till the end of the year, 202 days. Get rid of the 0 because of the mirror system. It's 22. But also if you keep it and use the split of the 20 and then the 02, it's still 22. So it's 22 there really. So, and this is where it's key. The 22 has been the consistent pattern so far. Just a reminder there of the date for the Westminster, Manchester victims. Also the London terror started at pretty much 10 o'clock on Saturday night. And then you can see it's just the mirror again, 44. You get into your 88 again, so that brings in with the moon from the previous video and the timestamp, so you're getting a clear 88 from how you've got the days. And then days as well is that percentage of the year, 55.34. Very simple, just adding them all up again, plus the mirror, 88 again. Also 1 and 7 is 8, of course. It's also 6 months and 19 days, and even just drawing that, it's going to be, I know Rita will like that one. I think that's the amount of verses in the Bible as well. I'm sure it links in with a previous video of mine and Rita commented on it. I think it is, but it's definitely a symbol of like time, the 6 and the 9 with a the line down it, so like a divide of time in a way. But then also using the combination of the 6 and the 1, 1 and the 9 is 8, or 8 plus its mirror, 88. So again, another 88. That's 3 so far. Sorry about the focus. Also, I've just drawn a little other way of doing. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I've moved on too fast there. It's also that amount of days is 48 hours. I mean, even just that on its own. Wow, the coincidence of that, hey? It's almost like two 24s either side. 48, 48 is 96, so it's it's anti-time. 69 is time, going in and then out. Anti-time's both going out. Interesting. But also, yeah, there, I've just done the adding the mirror, and it's almost like, just visually, it's 4 lots of 12, or they could be 1 plus 2, which is the 3. You've got 4 3s there, which is also 12. 1 plus 2, 3. 4 plus 8 as well, plus them all together, sorry, yeah, it's just 24, plus the mirror, 42, 66. So you've got another double 33 there. Okay, this one's quite a long video, so I need to probably speed up because there's a lot of numbers. This is why it's such a big date. I can't imagine it not being used. So what numbers did we have? Sorry, yeah, 619. Keeping that number in mind because that's how many months and days it is. Okay, between 12th of June and the end of the year. There. So 619. Sorry, it's not very organised here. There we go. So doing it with that way, 19 divided by 6 equals 3.16, and then recurring 6s. So I've drawn it because it's always good to see when you do it in division. And you get a constant recurring 4 underneath. Because I always look at this as an as above, so below, when you visually divide stuff. Also, on a quick side note there with the, the 316 of what that came to. Just using it as 3 digits, plusing the mirror 929. So you've got your little 911, cheeky 911 there. 9 plus 2, one side leaving the 9, either way. But yeah, going back to the carrying over the 4, row of 6s recurring to infinity. So 6 4s as well being 24, plus 42 is 66. I've not actually written that one down, but I did that just by thinking about that one actually. As above, so below. 6 4s are 24, aren't they? Plus 42, 66. But anyway, taking the 3 and the 1, so from that 3, 1, and then the rows of 6s, so we know about 6s, but just using the 3 and the 1, add its mirror, 13, it's 44, so another 88, another one, 4 and 4 is 8. Okay, 6 months and 19 days then, still keeping that number in mind, because that's what that was all about also. Adding just the mirror system 1535. There I've just done a combination 153 and the 535. You get an interesting 6 and then an 88. Also, carrying on from 1535, mirror system again, you get that. So 88 this time with the 6s on either side, which I thought was very interesting. London as well was actually 6 months 28 days since from that date of 3rd of June 2017 to the end of the year, 31st of December 2017, was 6 months 28 days. Now 6 months and 19 days equals 28 weeks and 6 days. See how that's the reverse? Again, going back to the date as well, I explained at the beginning of the video, it's a reverse. Well, it's the same, but hidden. This is actually the reverse, but not too hidden. Anyway, with the 28 and the 6, divide 28 divided by 6 is 4.6666 recurring. no coincidence. We've already looked at 666 recurring up there. Here's another one from 28 weeks and 6 days. And yeah, 6/4 is 24 again, so 24 plus 42 is 66. That's probably where I remembered it a minute ago from. 2 3/3s. Also 286 plus the 682, the mirror of that. I visualised that again, 2 8s, and also a 7, which I thought was quite interesting because earlier it involved 6s, this time there's a little 7 there. But also, before you do the 8 and the 8 in the middle, you've almost got 4 8s, that's why I also did it like that. But again, with the 28 divided by 6, 28 weeks, 6 days, that's what it actually comes to for the mirror of it. Adding the answer together is 23 plus 32 is 55. And I kind of picked up on how you get to 1 from 55 quite easily. Plus its mirror is 1, 10, plus the mirror of that is 11, 1, 2, 1. Which is again your 33 stamp. So that's page 1. Now that's all to do with the date then, from June 12th to the end of the year. This is now just to do with the moon phase for the actual date of the 12th of June. So we've got illumination 92% plus mirror 121. Straight off with a 121 there. Quick recap of how you get 33. Distance is that. Getting rid of the zeros comes to 20. Simple again, 22. 22 pattern again. So again, 22 pattern. Consistent pattern. Found twice just for this date. The age of the moon is that. Now this one, I'll just show you those, so adding it simply together is 14. I've already, 14 there. Also 17 plus 42 being 5, 59, 5 and 9, 14. Well, there 14, you go from the mirror system 55, and you're getting straight to 121 again. Okay. Now here, yeah, 17.42 days, age of the moon. See sheet 2, 17 divided by 42. Okay. Now again, I had to do it visually to really show in the video. You can do it in a calculator and it comes up, but you don't get as many decimal points. You don't see the pattern. And there's probably a reason for that, to be honest, unless some calculators do. But you can see there, it's from the cutoff of that 0, you've got the 47619 again. It appears there first, 0, 47619. That will also be 0 and it will carry on, guaranteed. So again, I've not really looked in the as above, so below, but there's patterns there. I've only looked at the above on this one, so I've added all of those individual numbers together, the 47619, because that's the one that's the repetition, sorry. Very simple again, 27 plus the mirror 72 is 99, 2 and 7 being 9, so 99, it's just 66, and 33, 4 lots 33, you know. So that's the 17.42 days. The angle is exactly 0.50. So again, that's quite quick to get to your 55 with the mirror system, and then carrying it on for the 33. Also, angle is 0.52 plus the mirror of that 77. 7 and 7 being 14. So you can go straight to that again. You can kind of do it two ways there. Some distance as well is all of those numbers. Added up all up together it does equal 50. So again, you go straight to your moon angle to get to your 33. Right, and I do believe that completes the video, so thanks so much for bearing with me. Take care everyone. Cheers.